Hello, Abuti. Say hello to the children.
Dumelang bana.
Today, we're learning about family. Are you ready, kids? So, in this family, there is a father, there is a mother, a brother, and a sister. Now let's learn the words in Setswana. What is the word for father in Setswana? That's right, it's rre. And do you know what the word is for mother in Setswana? Very good, mme. Now, what is the word for sister in Setswana? That's right, kgaitsedi. And what is the word for brother in Setswana? Very good, abuti. Now in this family, there is also a cat. What is the word for cat in Setswana? That's right, katsi. What is the word for dog in Setswana? Very good, ntswa. So, we have re, mme, abuti, kgaitsedi, we have ntswa, and katsi. And now you can use these words in sentences. Goodbye, Abuti. Goodbye, kids. See you next time.